Rusty 240s, this is exactly why. Yeah, there's no brakes, so it's a little bit, especially when I come out, because I'm sort of flying towards a track, an active track. It's non-stop. Honestly guys, every 5 minutes or between 5 and 10 minutes. To be honest, if I've got a socket that size, I'll just take the tracks off and then just get rid of the line so I can film in peace. First look then. Oh, it looks good so far, doesn't it? Look at that. Everything like inside looks so red compared to the outside. It's really nice. Let's take this out and see what we've got. Oh, this is fresh under here. This looks really nice. I really have a good feeling about this car. There's another tramp. Try and take it up without damaging the foam too much. Oh, nice. I tell you what, that's the cleanest one I've ever seen. That's even better than the 244. Before I get too excited, let's just take out this. Yeah, see, it's still stuck in because of this stuff. Oh, look at that. Huge pool of water. Classic. But it's obviously a recent thing. No, so this side's really good. It's actually the other side where it's starting to go here a little bit, where this support brace thing is. So it does open. Just takes a bit of effort. Okay. Looks like it's starting a bit in here. The rot. Maybe. It's raised here. Okay, yeah, so this is... Still good. It's not started to rot the car yet. A little bit starting under there, but it's alright though, isn't it? All this is fine. Yeah, we're doing well. So far so good still. See, obviously here you can see straight away the problem. Full of leaves and stuff. On this side it's here where the underseal is coming away. Oh, even comes with a free smelly old sock. Yeah, I mean, obviously I'm doing this to check for rust, but this needs to be cleaned anyway. It's nasty. You alright, mate? So yeah, we've got a few googies. There's €1 there. So the car cost us €899, 799 euros. There's a mint. I thought I saw another coin, I think it's in the car. €1, 50, oh it's Polish. Oh yeah, there's some moisture here. This is wet. So guys, this is the thing. This is why it's important. This is even more so. Yeah, look. Guys, you've got to see this. So I've literally just pulled this up for the first time. Look. Absolutely sopping. Look at that. Guys, this is the problem. This is it. Rusty 240s, this is exactly why. I don't know why I'm letting it drain into the car. An idiot. Get that straight in the sun to dry out. Once the rust starts, it's fast. Yeah, it doesn't take long at all. Oh, there's another euro. Another euro in there. So that's 798 euros. We caught it just in time, didn't we? And inside you'll find a load of leaves, which doesn't help. So yeah, it's the same on the other side. Obviously these need to be vacuumed out, scraped out, whatever you can do really, because obviously the water gets down into there. See the water in there now? There's even snails in there. You can probably see how it's wet now. So obviously having all that crap there is really not helping things. But I still can't see exactly how it's getting into the car, if I'm honest. Because that bit of water, I mean, that kind of equals a fair bit of rain, doesn't it, in one concentrated spot. And in here it's still dry. Now another common area is up here, where you've got the bonnet pull, which I still can't get over how these are original. It looks like someone's bodge job. But yeah, anyway, in there, see where the bonnet pull is, it's dry as a bone. I mean, there's even spider webs and stuff there. So it's not exactly been pouring through with water from there. So it must be somewhere else. So this is where the bonnet cable actually goes into the car. It's inside there, runs up through here. And you can probably see all the leaves and debris in there. So obviously the water builds up, fills up because it can't drain properly, and then finds its way past. Sorry, I just had an encounter with a wasp. He's been hassling me all day. I can't get rid of him. So I just had to dispatch him. Right, where were we? So sorry, when we first got the car, he said, oh, the seals are probably going to need replacing on the windscreen because it was hanging out, and he just popped it back in and it went in. But I think potentially the water was getting in that way, but we'll do this test anyway. Fill her up good. It's not the kind of place you normally expect to put water in the car. Just top up the water. Let's see if it's got inside at all so far. It's totally dry. So you got wire coming into the car there. You can see that rubber grommet, which isn't actually in properly. See how that's open? Which isn't really helpful. There's another grommet there, that's been kind of sealed over, and you can see where water's got in past it. See that brown rust? So obviously I need to seal both of these up good, because this is where water's getting in to here and causing trouble. Some wasp remains there. These were brake cleaned before delivery. These jacking points are great. They look really good actually. You can see all the red paint. It's not like it's been sort of plastered over and covered up like the last one. Looks really good, doesn't it? There's so many spiders on this car, so if I shriek and drop the camera, you know why. See, we've got a little bit in there, but I've looked sort of in through what holes I can, and it doesn't look like it's really bad inside the chassis rails. Inside the frame, it actually looks quite good. It's just, seems to be on the outside where this underseal has come away. But the floors look really good. So yeah, further down towards the back, obviously this is where it starts to get a bit hairy. A lot of you guys know all too well the usual spots on these things, and it's really at the back that you gotta worry about. So there's some oil or something that's been put there, which has probably done it a favour. You can see where this is starting to go, just like on my 244, which always seems to happen. These, you know, little repair patches never seem to last for long. But yeah, it's starting to go again, but you know what, it's still solid. Can't break it off, so it's okay for now. We'll chuck some oil on it. So I know there's rust back here, behind the mud flaps. All the dirt builds up in here, and then it just eats away. But the rear arches, really nice. And inside here, the frame rail here, the chassis, I'm not sure about this, but it is still solid. But it's really nice, and the rest of it's really good. So guys, after someone stole the mattress that was there, we needed a replacement. Et voila. This is definitely mine, sorry. I'm not going to try and deny this one. It's just as disgusting. It's an old 940 seat. So this thing, I can't believe how little rust there is on it. As most of you guys know, these things now, there's usually a lot more to do on it. Or at least it's been done before. But to have it so fresh and clean inside, so untouched, really surprised actually it's that good. And yeah, I think we caught it just in time as well, because with all that water inside, no brakes at all, so we're going to need to get the brakes sorted on it. So also that'll be obviously in a future video, and of course bringing back the colour. I'm really excited for that one. But more importantly than any of that, what are we going to name it? To give it a service. We need to give it a service.